Hi, this is Zachary Riedel, part of CSE360 Tuesday's class, and here this is for homework 6, which is the backup and restoring data using encryption. And here I have my code, and we'll go ahead and test some of this. So we'll run the program. So when you run the program, you're given a list of options. You choose an option. First, let's start with creating an article. Go press 1. It asks us to enter some information about the article, like a title. Go ahead and name it Title 1. Authors, I'll just write my name. And for the rest, it's not that important. I'll just write what it says, so abstract, keywords, body, references. After that, article created successfully. It'll let you know. And with that, you can then list the articles if you'd like. So when we press 3, it says Title 1. And just to be sure that I'm not cheating the system, we'll go create another article. We'll name this one Title 2. I'll just change my name to Zachary Riedel. And I'll do the same for all this, but I'll add a 1 to it. Body 1. Reference 1. And with that, it tells us again, article created successfully. We'll go ahead and list the articles again. There we see we have Title 1 and Title 2. And so that is option 1 and 3. And we'll go through option 2. So we'll delete an article. And it'll ask us to enter the sequence number of the article to delete. And we have the sequence number here. We have 1 for Title 1 and 2 for Title 2. That's just created in the order that it's created in. So we'll go ahead and then delete sequence number 1 for this, which would be Title 1. Delete that, article deleted successfully. We'll go ahead and list all the articles again, and it will say 2, Title 2. So it deletes the ID 1, but it doesn't fill this in to be ID 1, even though it's the only article. It's the same ID that I originally had. Alright, and another test for something that we can do is we can go ahead and back up this article. So if we go ahead and try to back it up, do 4, enter the file name, we'll do Title 2. Okay, article's back successfully to Title 2. And now we'll go in and list the article again. We see Title 2, number 2. So we can delete this article now. And it's going to be number 2. Article deleted successfully. Let's check the list just to make sure. No articles found, so it has been deleted successfully. And the other function we can do with this is we can do number 5, which restores the articles. And we just have to type the file name that we originally had, which would be Title 2. Boom, articles restored successfully from Title 2. So now if we press number 3, we can go ahead and see that we have Title 2 back, but now it's in sequence 3. That's just something I didn't really know how to fix too well, so I just made it so sequences like that. And other than that, that's pretty much all the functions that this article allows us to create. We can create an article, delete any article, given the ID number, gives the ID number there. You can list all the articles, you can back up the articles, and then restore the articles. On our 6th option is just exit out the function and gives you a little goodbye message. Alright, and then we have our code here with some nice little comments. I made sure to do it in this format because apparently it's better to see when you're not in dark mode, which you can't really tell much of a difference when you're in dark mode, but we got this database scanner. Go ahead and give you all the outputs, different cases on what to do, our little goodbye message, and then we have the option to create an article. It goes ahead and just scans your chars, make sure it grabs everything in these arrays, and tries to encrypt it as best as I could, and then lets you know it's been created. And then you can delete the articles here, list the articles, back up articles, and restore articles. All these are pretty simple functions. And then we go to database helper. We have the original stuff that was given to us. And we have creating tables, char limits. You have creating an article here. Where you can do it, and it tries to store it in an encrypted format. attempt to keep the information saved. Here's the function delete an article. It's all really simple stuff. Not much to explain here. So the comments do most of it. Here we can list the articles with the ID number, title, authors. I really couldn't get the authors working. So I should say like by the author, couldn't get it working for whatever reason, but it is there, so it should be. Then we have the backup articles function, the restore articles function, which got a little complicated. Clear articles, pretty easy, and the close connection. Yeah, that's all my code. All the comments listed. One little crazy here. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.